Starting your own private practice might feel overwhelming, like there's a million things to figure out. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be complicated. Hi, my name is Jamey, and in today's video, I'm going to share a clear, step-by-step roadmap to take you from idea to launch with confidence. So whether you're still dreaming of starting your private practice or you've already taken those first steps, this video is going to give you the tools and clarity you need to build a strong foundation for long-term success. And here's the kicker. Stick around until the end because I'll share a powerful tip that could save you thousands of dollars as you get started. And you certainly won't want to miss that. So let's dive in. Step one, finding your North Star. Why is this important? Because your North Star is your vision, mission, and values. It guides everything that you do. It keeps you on course when challenges arise and helps you build a practice that's aligned with your goals, not just a business that keeps you busy. Think of it this way. Without a North Star, you're going to drift. You're going to chase new ideas, shiny toys, react to problems instead of proactively solving them. And of course, you're going to risk burnout doing that. But when you have clarity, every decision becomes easier. So here's how you can find your North Star. Define your vision. What does your dream practice look like? Picture a practice 1 year, 3 years, 5 years from now. What's the impact you're making? How big is your team? What are your clients saying about you? And here's a tip. Write your vision as it's already happening. For example, we're the go-to clinic in our community. We help 500 plus clients a year live pain-free lives with exceptional care. Next, clarify your mission. Who do you serve and how do you help them? Your mission is your purpose. It's why you do what you do. Maybe you help busy professionals return to the activities they love, or you're passionate about helping kids thrive. Just remember, keep it short and specific. A clear mission inspires action and reminds you and your team of why you started this journey. Next, helping identify your core values. What principles will guide your practice? You see, these are the values that shape your culture, your team, and how you show up for your clients. Think about what's non-negotiable. Things like patient-first care, honesty in every decision, commitment to growth. Don't let your values just sit on a piece of paper. You got to display them, show them, and talk about them and use them when you make decisions. You see, when you take the time to define your vision, your mission, and your values, your North Star, you gain clarity, you attract the right people to your team and opportunities, and you stay grounded and focused when challenges arise. So here's an action step. Take 10 minutes. Sit down today. Write out your vision. Write out your mission, write out your values, and let them become your North Star. Trust me, this simple exercise is going to save you years of frustration and missteps. And in the next step, we'll talk about turning that vision into actionable plan. So stick with me as you build your practice one step at a time. So step number 2, setting up for success, legal and financial foundations. So why is this critical? Because skipping it or getting it wrong can lead to costly mistakes that will slow you down, create headaches, or even jeopardize your business down the road. So here's what you need to focus on to ensure your practice is legally and financially solid. You gotta choose the right legal structure. Whether it's an LLC, sole proprietorship, or partnership, the legal structure you choose impacts everything from taxes to liabilities. So here's a tip. Most practice owners opt for an LLC because it protects your personal assets and offers flexibility. But don't assume. Talk to a professional to make sure that it's a right fit for you and your goals. Next, decide on insurance. Will you accept insurance? Will you stay private pay? But if you decide to take insurance, research major payers out there in your area, like Medicare and private insurers, and start the credentialing process. And here's a tip. If you decide to accept insurances, consider starting with a mix. Accept some insurances while keeping options open for also private pay services. This gives you flexibility as you grow. And don't forget to check the reimbursement rates. The last thing you want to do is accept an insurance that doesn't even pay you enough to cover your expenses. Set up your business account. Open a separate business account. Don't make the mistake of putting everything together. Separate your business and personal money. This is a critical step for tracking income, expenses, and for your taxes. Use a tool like QuickBooks to help track cash flow, create invoices, and manage expenses from day one. Trust me, you don't want to play catch up later. It's a pain in the butt. Start with a simple habit of reviewing your business finances weekly. Even if it's just for 10 to 15 minutes, just start getting the habit of doing that. It will help you save stress and surprises. So right now, what you want to do, schedule a consultation with either a lawyer or a financial advisor to clarify your legal structure and financial setup. Open a business bank account. Start tracking your finances using a simple tool like QuickBooks. So far, we covered steps 1 and 2, defining your North Star and setting up your practice legally and financially. These are critical steps to building a strong foundation. So if you're ready to keep going, check out my next video where I'll show you how to design your space and hire your first dream team member and start generating clients. And don't forget, like this video, subscribe to the page, and let me know in the comments which step you're tracking first. Thanks for watching.